Well, what are we fixing today? Today I got something from Amazon I bought. I'm looking for a little screwdriver electric screwdriver like a WoW stick, but I didn't want to pay $70 for a WoW stick. So I found something else on Amazon. So let's review that thing. What do you think? Let's go. So here's what I bought. It's a precision screwdriver set with 24 blah, 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 blah. It's called a Fanttik stick. Price was $40 as opposed to like the $70 that the WoW stick was. So I need one, so let's do that. I haven't opened it up yet. I just opened the Amazon package. I haven't actually opened that package, so let's check out what it actually looks like. Well, here's some things that we're going to take apart later, but here it is on the bench. So let's open this thing up. I think that would be good. Get in here. Ooh, what do we got here? USB cable looks like. 400 screws. It's got metal gears. It goes 180 RPM. Open this up. I believe you've been expecting me. All right. Let's look at this. Model number. NEX E1 Pro. How to use it. It tells you these are bits and these are screwdrivers. All right. We don't need that kind of thing. That's instructions. Men don't use instructions. All right. Now this is a pretty nice case, actually. It won't come out, and it does come out. I like that. Heavy aluminum. It doesn't have lead in it. Like, why would it? Well, I guess lead paint it might. Here's the stick itself. USB charge. Let's put a bit in there. I'm going to need Phillips for a few things I'm doing here. Let's find the Phillips. Probably, that's kind of nice. Those are magnetic in there. Probably this one. Okay, this is high torque because I can't really stop it when I push it. And then this is low torque, so this must be high speed. So I can stop that. And if I turn it on this other one, can't really stop it. So that's cool. I don't think the speed is much different. It doesn't seem like it, but all right. So then we got some things to fix. This is the first thing we got. These are things that my wife uses for crafting. They're dollar store LED lights. So if you wanted to see LED lights, fine. There's LED lights on this video. Well, these lights are little battery strings that we use to decorate things that we sell at craft store. Or at craft shows. But so I got like 20 of these waiting downstairs for me to open, and that's really why I wanted this. So a little bit bigger Phillips. And then screw there. Where did I put those batteries? I'll put a picture at the end of the kind of things that we do with these if you're interested, of what we're actually doing with these dollar store light strings. But that's what they do. 10 lights, no effects, just run off battery. Let's hook this one back up. Like so. Alright. Oh, why are we so up far? Alright, let's do one more of those. I got one more of those to do. Then we'll take apart something else. Like that. This is going to save my wrist. Alright, got some kids' toys. These are the baby toys. You're supposed to press this and it spins and it does a different LED. Yay! LEDs. See how I gave it a little wrist click to kind of help it go. Right, let's get these off the rest of the way because I believe it's interfering. I'm being careful not to push towards my hand any more than I have to. This is a little label remover. It's like a razor blade-ish thing. It's kind of sharp. And there's a whole stack of button cells. These are, what are they? LR44s, I thought so. So I need a few of those. Let's set this one to the side. See how simple this is? It's a little motor and it lights up the LEDs. So let's set this one to the side because I'm going to have to get a battery for that. And then we have this one, which the little guy really likes, but nope. So these are big screws. So let's see if it can handle this. One thing I think I could have improved with this is it's completely cylindrical, and I just wanted to pull out of my hand there a little bit. Didn't really like that. I think these old batteries are old. And go right in the trash. Got some batteries. See, the little guy really likes this. I'm having fun with it. All right. Turn it off. Put the battery in. Plugged it in when I was getting batteries just in case. What are we fixing today? Tiny touch tablet. All right, got all four. Now let's see if we can put this back together. I believe this was here. And that switch pushes on that and makes contact with the side of the motor, I bet. And these are likely which way? Remember which way? Okay, I'm going to say this way. Oh, this is the mechanism for this thing. Oh, you do a little soldering on it too. The solder joint broke right here. Well, let's solder that up. Using my twin leaf soldering iron, which I did a video about. Love this thing. All right, I think it's soldered. Let's see, hold it here. Yeah, it tries to go. All right, batteries are in. Looks like the motor will turn. I guess it would, well, the LEDs wouldn't light up if I did the wrong way, so it must be right. Semi-working. Put the screws back in. If it'll pick up the screws, it's supposed to be magnetic. Not quite. Oh, there it goes. All right, we're on high torque, looks like. See how slick that is? Hope I don't have it snapped in right. Get it snapped in there correctly. And it'll work a lot better. All right. Other screw. Come on. Isn't that nice? Oh, come on. Speak too soon. Here's the last one. USA, yay, yay, yay. We're going to give this thing a pretty good test now. I can tell you it does work because I got those two in. They're not completely tight, but this board is particle board made for like paneling kind of thing, but it's really tough stuff. I'm going to put some screws in here that are, well, I don't want to drill because I don't want to lose the strength, right? So it's hard to do this with a screwdriver because you got to give it a bunch of revolutions to get it caught. But I'm using my Fanttik. And here we go. Torque it right down to dead. And it's tight. So it's got a pretty good amount of torque. That's on high torque. Oh, I can try it on. It's on high torque now. High torque. It's that one. We'll give it low torque. I know I'm not going to go very far at all. So let's go on higher speed, lower torque. And there it stops. And it's way up. So now it's on lower speed, higher torque. There it is. I'm going to show you a couple more images of what it looks like when it's charging full, where the light is bright on. After that, it goes to charging partially, where the light blinks, and then a picture where the it's done charging and it gives you a little blue light. So check that out. All right, enough playing with the toys. So how do I like this? So far, like it a lot. Very nice. It's gonna do, I think, what I need it to do. And if I can get it for 30 bucks less because it's an off-brand, I'm good with that. Well, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you thought I did you any favors. Give me a thumbs down if I'm full of poo-poo. Or just tell me why I'm full of poo-poo. Because comments are good, and I can improve with comments. Subscribe if you would. I need more subscribers. I'd like to get up to my local goal, and for this year is to get to 1,000. So I'm at like 700. So everybody go out and find about 300 of their best friends and have them subscribe to me. That would be awesome, 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 awesome. All right. Enough for the shilling. Appreciate your time. Bye.